Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the latest updates on cars and tech. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact sedans of the year, the 2025 Audi A3. Stick around to learn all about its design, features, performance, and of course the expected price. Exterior design showcase. Close-up shots of the front grille, headlights, and overall profile. The 2025 Audi A3 continues Audi's tradition of combining sporty elegance with futuristic design. Up front, you'll notice a redesigned grille that's more aggressive and perfectly complemented by matrix LED headlights. The car's aerodynamic lines and 18-inch alloy wheels give it a premium yet sporty look. It's a compact sedan that's hard to ignore on the road. Interior features cut to visuals of the interior, dashboard, seats, and infotainment system. Step inside and the 2025 Audi A3 greets you with a refined cabin filled with premium materials and tech. The dual-screen infotainment system integrates seamlessly with Audi's virtual cockpit, giving you all the controls you need at your fingertips. Leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and increased legroom make it a perfect mix of luxury and comfort. Performance and engine options showcase driving footage and animations of engine specs. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A3 offers a choice between a 2.0L turbocharged engine and a hybrid option for those looking to go green. The turbocharged model delivers around 201 horsepower, while the hybrid version promises both power and fuel efficiency. Plus, with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, you're guaranteed an exhilarating drive in any condition. Technology and safety visuals of tech features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and infotainment usage. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 Audi A3. From advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to wireless charging and seamless smartphone integration, the A3 ensures you stay connected and safe. Audi has also upped its game with predictive safety tech that adds an extra layer of confidence. Expected price and competitors include slides with price comparisons and competitor models like BMW 2 Series and Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Now, let's talk about the expected price of the 2025 Audi A3. Industry experts predict the starting price to be around $36,000 for the base model and up to $44,000 for higher trim. This positions it competitively against rivals like the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe and Mercedes-Benz A-Class, making it a strong contender in the luxury compact sedan segment. That's a wrap on the 2025 Audi A3. It's a car that blends performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology in a sleek package. What do you think? Would you consider the A3 as your next ride? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest car reviews. Thanks for watching.